Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever company merge. Domex. Ito po sila. Meron tayong Domex Ultra Thick Bleach Classic Germ Kill Expert 140 ml. Nasa sachet pack siya. Yan. Ang Domex Ultra Thick Bleach 140 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Domex Classic Multipurpose Cleaner. Kills germs and viruses, antimicrobial system. Nasa bottle po siya. 250 ml. Unilever po yan.
Personnel to counter 10, please. 1 gem D personnel to counter 10, please.
You can buy it from any grocery stores. Mga most grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Domex Multipurpose Cleaner. Classic din. Kills germs and viruses. Bottle. 500 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Domex Multipurpose Cleaner Lemon. Nasa 500 ml po siya. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Domex Ultra Thick Bleach Classic. Yan po siya. 500 ml. Unilever po yan. Ginawa ko tong video na to para malaman nyo kung ano-anong mga iba't bang uri ng Unilever Company merch. Yung Domex po, isa lang po yan sa mga Unilever Company merch. Next, meron din tayong Domex Ultra Thick Bleach 500 ml. Unilever din po yan. Pink powder. Power, I mean. Next, meron din tayong Domex Multipurpose Cleaner Lemon. Kills germs and viruses. Sa 1 liter po siya. Yan. Sa mga toilet, mga comfort room. Next, meron din tayong Domex Antibacterial Floor Cleaner. Kills 99.9% of germs. Nasa 1 liter po siya. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Domex Multi-Surface Spray. Yan, spray. Kills viruses and bacteria. Yan. 99.9% germ kill. 500 ml. Unilever po yan. That's it for Unilever Company merch video for today. Domex Comfort Room Cleaner, Toilet Cleaner. Yan. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching.